You clicked on this video for a reason, to thaw a turkey easy and quick without ruining it or waiting a full day. I got you, so stick with me. I'll show the 2 fastest safe methods, how long each takes, and the mistakes that make turkey dangerous to eat. Fastest safe method, cold water thawing. Keep the turkey in its wrapper, put it breast side down in your sink or a large container, and cover it completely with cold water. Change the water every 30 minutes. This thaws at about 30 minutes per pound, meaning a 12-pound turkey is ready in roughly 6 hours instead of overnight. Second method, fridge speed boost. If it's mostly frozen, but you want it quicker, put it in the fridge, but breast side up on the bottom shelf and leave the packaging on. Add a bowl of warm, not hot, water next to it. The warm bowl raises the fridge temp slightly and cuts hours off the thaw time without leaving the turkey in the danger zone. Pro tip, to thaw the inside faster, once the outer layer softens, open the packaging and remove the giblet bag early. Cold water can reach the cavity better and speeds up the rest of the thaw by another 30 to 45 minutes. Never thaw a turkey on the counter. Bacteria grows fast at room temp and ruins the whole bird. Stick to cold water or boosted fridge thawing for the fastest safe results. If this video helped you, hit the like and sub. If not, drop a comment about your turkey size, and I'll tell you exactly how long it'll take.